CHULUX upgrades single-serve coffee maker, 12 ounces fast brewing machine brewer compatible with pods and reusable filter, auto shut-off, one-button operation, for hotel, office, or travel. Start a simple coffee life. Single-serve coffee maker CHULUX 1-cup coffee machine is easy to operate and clean, compatible with most single-cup pods and refillable coffee filters. You only need to wait 3 minutes to enjoy your delicious hot coffee. This compact coffee brewer can accompany with you in every travel. Enjoy Single Coffee Time-12oz Capacity and 3 mins brewing. The max water capacity is 12 ounces, and the height of water outlet is matched with your cup, which is between 3.4 in to 5.3 in, without dripping tray. With the powerful pumping system, the coffee temperature can reach 160. You just wait 3 mins, then can enjoy your hot fragrant coffee. Save your time and labor. Easy to operation and clean one-touch operation. You just need fill with 12 ounces water, not less than 5 ounces, then install single coffee cup capsule or a cup filter with coffee ground. Last press the button is okay. After finish brewing, the coffee will automatically flowing into the cup and auto shut off. Removable drip tray is easy to clean. Save your space. Compact size and lightweight size 5.12 watts x 8.9 d x 9.7 h, net weight 2.8 LBS. This coffee machine saves counter space, which is very suitable for small places like room, office, RV, hotel, apartment. You can conveniently carry in your every trip. A happy drinking coffee experience. The water tank is made of BPA-free safe material. Let brew coffee more safe. Please clean the cup coffee maker following manual regularly to enjoy a better coffee time. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.